Hello everyone and welcome back. My name is Jeffy and this is my best friend Android the Chihuahua. Today we're going to be showing you guys how to make these really cute little mini muffin type s'mores. I'm really excited to eat these because I've been making microwave s'mores all week, just having the ingredients in the house. So I cannot wait to actually put them together and see what this product yields. So the first thing we're going to do is smash up our graham cracker crackers. And for this recipe, we're only going to need about 7 of these wafers. If you have a food processor, you are in luck. This is going to be a lot easier. Just toss them in there and grind them down. For us though, we're going to be using this little bag and I'm just going to pound it on the table till everything breaks. Alright, so I've gotten all of our graham crackers down to a pretty dusty sandy, and I'm just going to set those to the side for now. The next thing we're going to need to do is melt down about 6 tablespoons of butter. One-quarter cup of powdered sugar. The next step is going to be to dump all of the graham cracker crumbs into our bowl. Smell good? Alright, now I'm just going to give this a stir and give everything really well combined. This smells so delicious and sugary. Our dough is looking beautiful. Next, I'm just going to begin to pour it into these little mini muffin containers. Alright, my little pink spatula was not working. I ditched it and I moved on to this little yellow one. It is working perfect to make those nice little concave insides. The only thing I'm noticing as I go though is that it's taking a lot more dough to fill one of these holes than I originally anticipated, so I've just been stealing from other ones and we'll see how many this actually yields. The original recipe said that it would yield 24 of these. Just looking at what we have here, that's not even a close possibility. Our little bowls are looking really good. We did end up getting about 12 of them. Now I'm going to pop these in the oven at 350 for about 4 minutes. We're just going to be using 6 marshmallows since we're making 12 treats in total. I'm also going to get our little Hersheys bars ready. And it looks like we'll be needing 3 of these little bars. Right, now I'm just going to put one of these little marshmallows in each of our containers. To toast the marshmallows, you'll turn your oven up to a broil and just pop them in the oven for 1 to 2 minutes. The top of these toast super quickly, so you're going to want to keep an eye on them to take them out exactly when they start to become brown like this. And then next you're just going to pop a little Hershey's chocolate bar on top of each one. The heat will rise up and melt down your little chocolate bars. So this is our completed little cookie cup. It looks and smells delicious. I think even Android would agree with us on that one. So I guess I'll give it a try so we can rate this recipe. That is so delicious. It tastes just like a cookie that is covered in what is still melty chocolate and a squishy marshmallow. It's crazy how we transformed those crackers from a regular graham cracker into what really tastes like a grandmother's cookies. I will definitely be using this recipe again and definitely be sharing this with my friends because this is so good. Well, thank you guys so much for joining us. Please consider hitting that like button and subscribing to see more fun videos just like this. And we'll see you next time. Bye.